Eastern.
25, 2 sprocket.
Yep, 25 2 sprocket. Eastern pedals. Everything's Eastern. Burnout back tire, Eastern hubs, 10-2 sprocket. Freewheel.
Monster Energy sticker.
Green cranks. Monster Energy sticker on both sides of the forks. Eastern claim. Everything's Eastern on this bike, even the danglers. Dirt front tire. Nice tire. Nice dangler brakes.
Skull grips.
Skull grips. Probably barely see the skulls, but yeah, there's skulls on there.
Yep.
Yep, it's a nice bike. Eastern seat post, Eastern clamps, Eastern frame, Eastern everything. Isn't that right?
Oh yeah, that's it.
And this is my little brother's bike. Late.